Hi everyone, so for today's video, I wanted to do a video all about the new love of my life, my Nintendo Switch. I bought this last week. You're probably thinking, Chess, how the hell did you get that? It's been sold out for weeks. I bought it off someone from Facebook Marketplace. They were selling it for $450, a $150 markup. I got them to go down to $420. So I paid $120 more than if I was gonna buy it from a retailer, but I can't get it anywhere. So I decided to just purchase it because I really wanted one and I didn't know when they were gonna get back in stock. And honestly, my decision to pay the extra money was completely worth it. I've been playing my Switch all day, every day. I've been having a blast. I am absolutely obsessed with it. But whenever I become obsessed with something, I have absolutely no chill. So this video is basically going to be everything that I bought for my Switch within a week of having it. First thing being is I bought a pillow chair. I'm going to leave all of the things that I bought linked down below. It's not that many things, but it's like, you know, stuff. So I bought a pillow chair. This honestly, like, if you're wondering if one of these are worth it, it 110% is, because it makes sitting in my bed way more comfortable. My arms don't hurt, or my neck doesn't hurt, and you can just like sit upright and play your game. So I highly recommend one of these. The one that I got is really nice and firm, so you feel extra comfortable in it. So yes, I highly recommend purchasing one of these. So when I purchased my Switch, I was like, okay, I want this to be on my person, like everywhere I go in the house, but I also have this big ass phone. So I brought out one of my fanny packs and I was going to put my Switch in it, but my Switch was really large for the fanny pack. So I went online and I purchased this fanny pack side bag thing for my Switch. It fits really perfect in there. It really was not that expensive, and I can just plop it on. I kind of bought it half as a joke, half as like I genuinely wanted to be using this around the house. And I'm really happy that I did, because honestly this bag is very sturdy. It can fit my phone in here. Also, if you have like additional games, you can fit the games in here. I have the little joystick controllers in this pocket. I plan on doing a what's in my Nintendo Switch bag very soon, like on my channel. The only thing is I don't have games for it. I downloaded all my games, so I don't know. It might not be that interesting, but from like a beauty guru standpoint, I know that I'm going to have like lip balms and lipsticks and like eye drops in here. This is gonna be like my new bag, like my new actual bag. So yes, I bought one of these, and then this is fun. This is going to be a unboxing of this huge Ultimate Geek pack for Switch from Orsley. I woke up one morning and I was like, I wish that there was like more controller options for the Switch. And I went on Amazon and I looked up Switch accessories on Amazon, and they had a ton of package deals, like really elaborate package deals. And I went ahead and got the most expensive one because I wanted to go all in. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing it right now on camera. Hopefully this is entertaining for you guys, because I really don't know. Designed in London. This card is nice. So this is the box. It comes with a ton of stuff. Something really nice that this box comes with are screen protectors. So it comes with 2 of them. I'm definitely gonna be putting one of those on because I don't want my screen to get all scratched up with like literally the amount of time I'm using it. I use it so much. So it comes with an ultimate charging station. And I guess you can charge your joysticks on there. I know you can buy additional joysticks, and I definitely am going to. So yeah, I'll have to do that. Ooh, this will be nice. So a big reason why I wanted this box too is because I really liked playing Mario Kart on my Switch, but when I'm playing with other people, the Switch controller is really tiny, like it's super tiny. So let's see, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty legit. This seems like a little flimsy though, but none of this stuff is Nintendo, so I don't know, it's not gonna be the best quality, I guess, but I think it'll definitely become useful. So it came with 2 of those controllers. Oh, it also came with a game card holder, so that's quite nice. One thing that, oh, it comes with grips too. One thing that kind of bums me out about the Switch is I can't play old DS games on my Switch. So if you guys know how I can do that, if I need like maybe like a card converter or something, please let me know, because I want to play old DS games. Like, I had Sims for DS and that was so fun. I don't know what this is. Do we know? I don't know. And then I also got, in this box, comes 2 steering wheels. This will be super nice for Mario Kart. I'm really excited about those. And then it came with this really nice pack. Ooh! And it comes with a case. Let's see what the case looks like. The case looks pretty nice on there, but honestly, I probably won't use it. I feel it will just get in the way. Plus, I'm not doing crazy things with my Switch. Like, it's not like being thrown around places, so I don't think I'm gonna use the case. But this is really nice, this bag for the Switch. So it comes with more additional things for the game cards. What is this? What are these? Oh, it comes with headphones too. That's super nice. Oh, and a pen stylus. I actually will be using that for my phone for sure. What is this? What cable is this? Oh, is that a Switch charger? Let me see. Oh yeah. And maybe I can charge it on my computer. This is nice. It kind of makes it all worth the 70 bucks that I spent on it. So yeah, I got this whole set in black because I just like everything in black. And honestly, this set was pretty nice. I guess I'll talk a little bit about the Switch because this video would be really short otherwise. I play Stardew Valley, Animal Crossing, and Mario Kart. I also have YouTube downloaded. I actually quite like the YouTube app, and I like that the screen is pretty large, so it's a little bit bigger than my phone, so the YouTube videos play a little bit larger. I think Mario Kart is so freaking fun with other people. Like, it is a real good time. I think Stardew Valley is the best game. Like, I am having so much freaking fun playing Stardew Valley, and compared to Animal Crossing, I like Stardew Valley like way better. I just find Animal Crossing to be pretty slow. In Stardew Valley, you can like level up way quicker and your crops grow faster. Everything just moves along so much faster. And in Animal Crossing, I think the idea behind it being like a full day in Animal Crossing is the same as like your real life, but it just makes things so slow. Like, my resources don't replenish for 24 hours, and that's annoying because they want me to find 30 pieces of iron. Do they want me to take weeks? Thankfully, my friend Maddie gifted me some iron, and I have been like chopping on those freaking rocks, but they also only give you like 4 rocks on your freaking island. I know that there's more rocks when you get a ladder, but I don't have a ladder yet. It's just slow. It is a slow-paced game, but Stardew Valley is really fun because it's almost like a little mysterious, and it's just fun. It's like mysterious and relaxing and just super enjoyable. So I've been really liking Stardew Valley. Animal Crossing, I am still playing. I play it every day, but Stardew Valley is just like a lot more fun. I am thinking about getting Minecraft. I think I would really like Minecraft because I used to really like watching my brother play. I also think I want Resident Evil, but it might be a little too scary for me. I like watching people play scary games. I don't really love playing scary games. Like, I love watching people play them, but I'm a little too scared to play it by myself. I really love Fallout 4. but only because my brother put like modded weapons on my account so I can play without being scared. Like the super mutants and the Deathclaw and the ghouls don't have anything on me when I have my modded weapons. So, but that is everything that I bought for my Switch. I wanted to make this video because I've been really just enjoying my Switch so much, and I have invested quite a bit of money into my Switch, so I just wanted to share with you guys everything that I bought, and maybe you guys want additional Switch accessories for your Switch. But definitely stay tuned for the what's in my Switch bag, because I think that would be really fun. It'll be like half joke, half serious, you know? That is everything from me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully I see you next time.